Welcome to the Gasclip Technologies video training series. This video will demonstrate how to bump test your MGC detectors. Bump testing is as easy as pushing a button, but there are a couple of items to keep an eye on. 1. Check the gas gauge on the front of the dock to ensure that there is gas in the test canister. 2. Make sure the detector and the dock cradles are free from dirt and debris. Replace any clogged filters. 3. Clean the IR communication windows on the detectors and the dock. 4. Make sure that the dock isn't an extremely bright light, which can cause interference with the IR communications. To test your detectors, make sure they have been powered on and place them face down on the MGC dock. Use the rubber plugs in any cradles that don't have detectors and connect a vent hose to the quick connect vent if so desired. Push the red bump test button and the dock will begin the test. The detector's alarms should sound and you should get a green light or pass indicator above each unit. If you get a red light during a bump test, which is the fail indicator, review the tips from this training video and bump test that detector again. If it continues to fail, contact us. You're ready to bump test your units. Visit our website at www.gascliptech.com and review our resources page for all of our support materials and training videos. Thank you for choosing Gasclip Technologies.